Welcome aboard. What you're seeing is exactly what the pilot sees through smart glasses from the left seat of a small airplane. Before anything moves, there's a routine. The pilot works through the preflight checklist item by item, touching each switch and gauge. Fuel selector, throttle, mixture. Every control gets checked in the same order, every single flight. Nothing is left to memory alone. Now the engine, a shot of fuel, master switch on, and the propeller swings to life.
Now the run-up. We hold near the runway and test the engine at higher power. Both ignition systems, the propeller, the instruments. Everything gets proven before we fly.
Listen to it settle into a steady idle. That smooth, even hum is the sound of a healthy engine. Next comes the run-up. The pilot pushes the power up and tests each magneto, watching for any drop in RPM. It's a quick, deliberate health check, making sure the engine is strong before it ever has to lift us off the ground.
Last item, the before takeoff checklist. Flaps, trim, controls free, and correct. When the list is done, and only then, we are ready for the runway.
Flight controls free and correct, instruments set, seatbelts fastened, little checks, big safety. Everything's ready. In the next episode, we taxi out to the runway. Aviation Lab. Dream, learn, fly.